I'm not gonna lie, these are not the most appetizing pancakes, but I guarantee you that these have the best flavor that I've ever tasted, especially with like the toppings in between. It takes around 20 minutes to get it done, so it's very quick. Alright, so the first thing you have to have is a blender right here, but we're going to dump in 2 eggs into this blender and 1 banana and also a scoop of protein powder, which I'm going to put in. So yeah, let's do it. Alright, now it gets fun, and we're going to blend it up. How do I get this on? Okay, nice. Alright, so after we mix everything up, I'm going to add 1 spray of avocado oil on a cooking pan. And I'm going to grab a piece of paper and just rub it around the pan. It should form like an oily base, so this can actually be cooked. Alright, so now that we've poured the mixer in, I'm going to turn this on to around a 7. So yeah, I'm just going to let this sit for a while, and it'll get hard and fluffy later. I'll cut it up, add some more stuff to it, and it'll be good. Okay, so it's like my 5th time making it. I'm going to try to flip this over. Hopefully I won't mess it up. Alright, so that's not the best flip ever. I should probably have split the 2 pancakes, but they weren't perfectly circular, so that's why I didn't really split them. But this does look good. It smells very nice. I'm going to just ignore this part right here. But yeah, after kind of frying the other side, it's going to be ready. Alright, so it's about cooked now, so I'm going to get it on a pan. Alright, so not my best creation. It does not look good, but I guarantee you that once you eat it, it's actually good. Alright, so now we're going to cut it up into 4 pieces. And we're going to just put some sauces in between these. So the first one, you got peanut butter, which is very important for the flavor. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon in between this. We're going to put this on top. And the next layer, we're going to put some honey on the top. We're going to put this on top. And lastly, we're going to put 1 more tablespoon of peanut butter. So yeah, these are my morning protein pancakes that I basically have now. Every single day if I have time to make these. These do take a while to make, but in the summer I'm going to definitely transition to making these. Yeah, I'm going to give it a little bit of a taste test right now. Not the fluffiest pancake, but with like the toppings right here, this is definitely very good. There's a bunch of protein in here. I'm going to put the macros somewhere around the screen. But this is a very good pancake. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button for some self-improvement, vlog, or fitness content. And I'll see you guys next video.